Hey, everyone knows it was the Emperor Pro here. Alrighty, another day, a new me. Something like that. Microphone closer this time, so it should sound better. And before it's like creating like sounds. Alright. So, last time I kind of derped out. While making the debug thing, I, for some reason, thought this was a good idea. But in reality, we simply just need to do this. Come on, brain, don't fail me now. You just thought of it, and it was successful. Okay, monster debug list. Let's actually name it properly. Window monster dbg. You know what? We'll do this. Window debug monster list. A long name, but you know what? I don't either. Alright, yeah, we just need to call the super.rect for that. And then make command list. We'll do add command, but we're gonna do this. Okay, what's monster did it? Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we can just straight up do it this way. Or let monster of monsters. We're gonna do add command. But I feel like I just copied, like I used cut there, and I feel like I just overwritten something important on the clipboard. Oh well. Who knows what it was? I don't think it was that important, probably. Plus, I can just undo, so no. Alright, so we're gonna do console.log monster, just to make sure that's working. I mean, it should be, but you always want to be, you know, secure in your thought processes. In other words, like, literally never. Alright, so yeah, this is working. We got the Nami. So now we're going to do this.add command, monster.name, and this will be mon. And then we'll say this.add command, close, cancel. And then that should destroy our ears. Alright. Now, back is list.set. Now we're going to do update, super.update. Arguments. I don't think yeah. Alright, well, whatever. I don't think sometimes. Okay. We don't need to update the monster list, but what we can do is, I think it's underscore index. Yeah, const monster index equals list dot. Oh, okay, it might be just index and not underscore. So, console.log monster index. Yeah, we're doing like much better off today. Like yesterday, man, I was so dang drained. What the heck is that? Huh. I've never seen those logs. Wait, what? Huh? Oh, check that out. I opened the console log of the console log window. Okay. I'm not smart sometimes. Oh, why did I even do it that way? Yeah, you know what? Name it for me, Gemini. Thank you. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm extra stupid. What am I doing? Okay. I just opened two of them. Okay, hi Google. Why did I refresh? Nani? Nana? What do you mean? Oh, yeah. Window monsters. Oh. Oh. That's one thing RPG Maker really interests me in. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we got that. That's good. That's what we want. And what else we want? What the hooker? That was there. Okay, good. Now the music's gone. Alright. I should have a way to lock the things. I think it's Windows. Yep. Alright, there we go. Okay, but I'm gonna lock this here as well. Now they're gonna stay on top. Like as we code and stuff. We don't do. Well, I could have just. You know what? I could have done it the other way, but I don't know. And by the other way, I mean this. It's pretty cool, but you know what? We might still do it. Screw it. No, we won't actually. Oh. I like it better this way. I don't know. What the crap? Okay. Well, whatever. My Windows install is being a thing. Alright, so now we should just be able to do monster index. And now when we go here, yep, it should display the monster. Alright. So we're gonna turn this into a thing. Update monster display. Yeah. Okay, so now we have the monster display thing. Now we gotta make the window for that. Window, debug, monster display. Extends window base. Because it's base. Structure rect, super rect. I don't think we need to mess with the initialize. We'll do the refresh though. This dot, I think it's contents dot clear. What's a bacon, lettuce, tomato thing again? Yeah, BLT. This dot contents dot BLT. Okay, hold on. There's one more thing we need to do. This dot monster index 0. All right, now monster equals monsters. This dot monster index finger. All right, so yeah, each monster contains where's the oh yeah, no, we didn't have any for that, so that's fine. All right, we have the sprite. The fact that it's in stats though kind of bugs me, so we might work on that later on. But for now we'll do it. All right, monster dot stats dot sprite 0. What were the arguments? Yeah, source X and Y, and then okay. Okay, we'll do image manager dot load enemy. I think it is. Yeah. Let's call it BMP. Const BMP equals BMP.width, BMP.height, 0, 0, and BMP.height. So to test this, let's create monster display. So yeah, there you go. Thank you. Let's see if it gets it. You know what? Here. Whoa, hold on. Okay, Gemini, that's pretty cool. I don't know what you were doing with that, but monster index. Dude, I'm telling you, man, I might start using AI. Just like this is so, like, that is so good. I don't know. Maybe I just impress easy, but this is kind of weird though. It's a little bit. I mean, I know it's quote traditional, but yeah, monster index. Do this. Okay. Yeah, we don't even need to do that now. Yep. So let's try. See what it does. Maximum call stack exceeded. Oh, the refresh. Yeah. Nope. Maybe not. Okay. Okay, what part is causing the stack refresh? Huh? Oh, day monster. Oh! I'm not smart sometimes. Well, I guess that's the downside of, SF White Wolf, Wolf, Gnome. Oh, it's because I'm adding the .pngs. Okay. Monster databases. Let's, not do .png for these. There's a much faster way to do this, but yeah, for once I'm actually enjoying coding again, you know? Nani? Oh. Duh. Okay, if it's dot window monster list dot hold on. Window man. Okay, yeah, dot list. Yeah. Uh, dot. Symbol, I think it is. Yeah, symbol is equal to mond. Then we're gonna do that. Otherwise, we don't need to. Now that should prevent the yeah, and then as it loads the cool. And we're gonna have a default missing texture thing. And then if not equals null. Huh? Okay, but the close thing. Oh, yeah. You know what? We can do it this way. Okay, if monsters not equal to undefined, yeah, that'll work. Okay, so I need to get it to yeah, so we'll do else. Ooh, actually. Alright, I'm not gonna be that picky about performance, so it is what it is. I'm gonna do this dot, wait, if not monster.stats. Sprite. Then we will do okay. Yeah, we can do it this way. Dot load. Alright, what do we want like the missing texture thing to be? A beach? Let's have it be game over screen. Oh, you know what? We can actually have it be one of the shadows. Oh, let's have it be the splash. That's kind of cool. Where's that at though? Load title. 1, I think it is. Splash. No, it's not in Splash, it's in System. What am I doing? I thought it felt wrong. If not monster, then. Okay, we can't. Alright. Else. There we go. That's gonna be a little bit, okay, here, let's do this. Math dot minimum, we'll say 240. So like 240 of the the minimum width and height. Yeah, that way it'll always kind of scale them down. Matter of fact, you know, that's fine. Yeah, we can do it that way. All right. Now this dot contents dot width divided by 2 minus const output width. That. Thank you, Gemini. Should be centered now. Dude, that is so dope, man. And we can keep this 0, actually. Now for the stats. This dot draw monster stats. Let's just return, like, if there's no monster. Monster stats. Monster equals monsters. This dot monster index. Okay. So, get a drink. We're gonna do the name. This dot draw text ex. We're gonna do. Yeah. Okay. Well, you can do the boilerplate for me, I guess. Slash C. 2. Let's see if that is properly how you do the properness. Alright, and instead of manually calling refresh here, like, I'm gonna make it always refresh. That way, like, when we hover over something, yeah, it'll immediately change. Okay, now that we got that going on, what? Invalid. Wait, the provided value undefined is not a valid enum of canvas text align. Cool story. I'm not entirely sure what that's about, but I would guess it's something to do with the updated node version. Does not compute with the outdated RPG Maker default. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, there we go. So we got the name. You know what? Let's put Gemini do the test. Draw the monster.stats. What was it? Base object keys on the left and well, nothing and about it. Just draw that on the left. Ooh, what? Hold on now. Well, we don't have current, so you don't need to do that, but... Now, hold up. Did it just nail that? Kinda. It's a little bit not centered. So we'll do this dot line height for the thing, and then we'll do plus line height for that as well. Now it's gonna be like right underneath it. But oh my gosh, dude, Gemini basically nailed it. Kinda. Well, almost. I mean, let's be fair. I mean, okay, it like half nailed it. Ooh, I like that. Holy crap, dude. Alright, well, I'm gonna edit this real quick. What's the error now? We gotta fix that. That's somewhat annoying. Okay. If... Okay, we'll do this then. Align equals left. Just to fix it. It was doing that because there was no, like, default, thing. There was, like, no default alignment, being made. That's interesting. I don't know if... I don't think the terminal warnings, like, will happen if you don't have the console open, so I'm not really sure if that impacts performance or not in the long run. But I want to try something here. 1 plus... Well, let's do 3 plus... monster.stats.base. Oops. Index of PD. That should color each element different. Apparently not. Okay, that's fine. We'll do that. Ooh. Kind of, I don't like where it starts like that. So let's try like 12. Let's try 10 or 11. Yeah, let's try 11. See where that goes. Absolutely not. 16. Of course, I know it all depends on the window skin as well. Okay, this will be perfect if... Okay, let's try... You know what? Let's just straight up do X. 1 plus X. Yeah, actually... Yeah, why not? We'll go with that for now. I don't... Oh! 6. Okay, well... Okay, last time. I can, like, pick at this all day, so I need to move on. Yeah, that's fine. We'll stick with this for now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, 10 would have been a good choice. Okay, I'm done, I promise. 10 was absolutely not the best of choices. Okay, well, moving on. Pretend this is good. Alright, what else do we want to do here? Oh, yeah. Alright, so we'll do the evolution stat. This.draw evolution chart. this dot contents dot wait. Yeah, this dot fill rect. This is not a canvas rectangle, but all right. We'll do this dot line height times 9. Let's make it. Yeah. We'll do times 9. Oops. What am I doing there? Oh, that's the X. What am I doing? Brain. All right, 0 that. This dot contents dot width. This dot contents dot height minus let when height or when y. And then we'll do RGB I kinda knew it. I should have went with my gut instinct, but I didn't. Okay, there we go. That is looking kind of dopey, swaggy. And I'm never saying that again. Alright, so first, I want to do like a border kind of thing. 55, 55, 122. You know what? We'll make it like an old yeller. 211, 211. What? Alright, so this will have to be like 1. This will be +1. This will be -2. And this will be Horton. Here's a who. Stop. I'm not doing that. Alright, and then well, first we need to do clear rect. Bit of a janky dollar store way to do it. Like I could just make a function that draws a border like for the thingy. Okay, let's not make it yellow. Thought it would look good. Whatever. We'll keep it for now. I don't want to waste too much time on the styling yet. I'm also never saying that again. Alright, so we need to add descriptions. And to do that, I'm gonna... Alright, you know what? Base stats. First, go here. And then, just so I can keep an eye on the pie. Alright, now monster dot. Okay, we're gonna replace the word stats with underscore data. I kinda knew that would happen. This ain't good. There we go. Yeah, and the reason I wanted to do that is because, like, we have the sprite things already, and it's like, yeah. No, I just didn't want to... Because it's already grouped in, like, this weird thing. And so instead of stats, and then data.base and all that, now we just have a dot underscore data, and then base stats, and then everything else, like the sprite, you know. Naming is kind of critical if you want long-term anti-brain hemorrhoid stuff. Description. Come up with a description for me. Small earth-dwelling creature with a penchant. Okay, Gemini. I see where you shine. Okay. Description for a silly... No, I'm not going to do that. Description for a snake. A slithering creature known for its cunning and speed. Okay, well, I like that, but I do want to kind of change it to something more silly like. So let's do mischievous. How do you spell mischievous? Hang on. Look, I'm smart. Yeah, why not? Mischievous tendency. Let's do activities. Known for its mischievous activities and its speed. A description for a cute up to no good fire salamander. A small fiery known for his playful antics and magic abilities. I like that. Often gets into trouble with the locals. Why not? Okay, it's catching on to what I'm doing. Dude, I love this. Description, okay, yeah. Creature that disguises itself as a treasure chest, waiting for unsuspecting adventurers. I love it. Freaking nose. Dang it. I keep like having like to hold back a sneeze. Description for a powerful white wolf. Powerful white wolf known for its speed and ferocity. Excels at hunting, but often can be a bit greedy. Description for a bat. Yeah, I'm not going to add the image yet. Alright. Description. Common cave-dwelling bat. Known for its agility and echolocation. Can emit a piercing... Wait, is it P-I-E or... That's piercing, isn't it? No. I don't know. Sound that can stun sensitive enemy. Sensitive targets. I don't know. Yeah, we'll do that. Well, the name's already in the thing, so that. Description for a slime. A simple gelatinous... Yes, I love that word. A simple gelatinous creature known for its resilience and slow movement has impressive defensive capabilities, but lacks in the attack department. Okay, description for a common wolf. Wolf? that can evolve into the white wolf spear. Common wolf found in forest, known for hunting its prowess and pack mentality. It can evolve into a more powerful form. Often a bit rude to its pack. Oh, well, something like that. Now we're gonna make. Oh, dude, I love this. This is gonna be sick. All right. Instead of the evolution chart, like right. We can actually do both. We can do both. Okay. Draw the description in monster.data.description. Adding /n every, let's see, how many do you think we can make here? Every every 24 characters, but don't include /n in the middle of a word. Hey, dude, if it gets this, I'm gonna start using it like legit. Okay, let's see what it's doing. Okay, current line. Okay, so it's splitting it into lines like that first. Okay. That's a little bit different than what I would have done. Actually, slightly, can you, like, not do the entire thing, please? Gosh, Gemini. Okay, I take it back. I'm probably not going to use it, like, completely. So let's see how it did. And, if it did okay... Okay, no. Okay. Yeah, well, don't we already have the Y thing, dude? Wait, huh? What are you doing? Draw monster description. Alright, so I'll do this. So what I'm gonna do instead is first, let's draw text ex. Okay, and I need to know how many we can fit on screen. Okay, so we can probably do probably like a little bit more than that. Okay, we can do. Does it depend on the character? I think it does. Okay, how many A's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's perfect. All right. Const max width equals this. Well, I'll tell you what. All right. So then, what we'll do now? Const words equals monster.data.description.split. We'll do, yeah, we'll just do space. So words dot for each word index. Okay, so then we're going to do let output const word length It's going to be equal to word.length. Okay, Gemini's starting to see where I'm going with this. So AI does still have like quite a way to go, but golly, dude, it's going to be so insane in the future. I'll put that length. Yep. That is no, it's not correct. We need to do let recorded length, rather. 0. Recorded length plus equals word length. Output plus equals word plus that. If word length is max or greater than the circumference of a banana brain. Alright, output plus equals /n. Yeah, just that. And no. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Now, this dot draw text ex output. We'll do, yeah, why not? We'll try it. That's a bit of a weird spot, Gemini, but I'll give you the benefit of a doubt. Let's try it. Yeah, see, that's like a little bit of a weird spot. So we can actually take away some. Yeah, that's a lot better there. But we can do even more. Like we can cut this whole thing here in half. Also, I think we can do measure text width as well as that format. Okay, so yeah, we'll divide that by like, you know what? Let's do like that. We just got to get the baseline right. Like, there is a better way to do this. Okay, hold on. Wait, should this be 0? That doesn't matter. All right, then we're gonna do it this way. This dot contents dot width minus 8. Okay, yeah, it would be 10 because the border. Dang, Gemini. All right. I'll be darned. Okay, yeah, okay, it does come with the default, RPG Maker does include it. I remembered it did. So we'll say, this dot word, wait, text width. I just looked at it too. Word. Yeah, that should be good. Huh. Well. Eh. We'll try 18. We'll do like a 16 padding and then... Oh, wait a minute. Duh. Else. What the huh? Why is it still going way off, dude? What? That's weird. I'm confused by that, actually. Look, it's still doing it. Huh? 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 Na 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 na. Okay, how does it... Yeah, measure text width. Oh. Oh. No. Oh boy. Why is this such a weird thing? But often can be a greedy. Why is it off? That makes no sense, dude. Do we need, like, minus this dot x? Alright, I am so confused. Let's do 4 and then plus 4. I did it again. Okay, that does look pretty good. Perfect. Yeah, it looks good for now. But maybe we just do this that way? No, it's still like that. That's so strange. This that with minus this on the back? That's gonna be the same thing as that. Hmm. Oh. Instead of that, yeah, that's why. Wait, what the heck is 192 divided by 2 again? 96. I do that. Yeah, I say that's why, but I'm still like very, even more so now, confused. Why is it so arbitrary? Oh, we'll get to the bottom of that in the next episode. For now, though, we have done it. We have made a debug thingy. And therefore, we can mark the debug thing on this. We shall do that later. Alright. Bye, guys.